Hi everyone, my name is Satish Punugubati. I am a SAS programmer and SAS trainer since 8 years. Today, I would like to explain a few topics that would give you an idea about SAS. Here, SAS stands for Statistical Analysis System or Software.
Big A, BA or big data analysis tool. Third
Are
one
you
is
recording?
yeah, yes, I'm regarding.
Okay. After completion, you will send that link to me.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
And
sure, definitely.
okay.
BA or big data analysis tool, and third one is a history of SAS. Fourth one is SAS role in different domains, domains like jobs and their projects, jobs and projects. So these are the topics we are discussing today. Right. Now, what is SAS? SAS is a stands for Statistical Analysis System or Software. Okay. So it deals with why we are called this statistical analysis system means it deals with statistics. It deals it deals with stats. Stats. Stats means a simple statistic like what are those some mean like a steady standard deviation, variance, mean, min, and maximum. So many are there like percentile, quantiles, upper quantile, lower quantile. Different types of statistics keywords are available. These are predefined statistics available in the essays. No need to remember all the formulas also not required. So without formula, use the keyword, we can directly get the result like in the form of some mean, standard deviation, variance, statistics. Okay. Next, that's why you call it statistical analysis system or software. Again, it consists of different types of products. Products. With the help of these products, we can develop the application. We can develop the application. Develop the application. What is the application here? Again, different types of applications. Using using the SAS tool, we can develop the different types of application. So, what are the application example for the applications are like SAS application and SQL applications and macro applications. Macro applications. These are the different types of applications we can develop using the SAS. With the help of these three products. What are the products? Okay, different products. What are those products? These are these are data warehouse product. Second one is analysis product, analysis analysis product, and third one is reporting product. That's it. So with the help of these three products, we can develop the applications. Different types of applications. Applications. What are the applications? Like SAS application, SQL, and macro application. This kind of application we can develop here. Now, so before that, it is one of the technical tool. SAS is a technical tool. Technical tool. Technical means it involves it different types of involves different types of functions of functions plus procedures functions plus procedures. So with the so technical means so logic includes or involves different types of functions and procedures. With the help of functions and procedures, we can develop the application. So using technical. So what is the importance of this technical tool? What is the main importance of technical tool? Okay, the objective of the objective of SAS technical tool to maintain the data purpose. Maintain the data. Second one is analyzing the data, analysis purpose. Analyzing the data. Third one is reporting the data. Reporting. Reporting the data. So three steps. One is using this technical tool with the help of functions and procedures. So we can develop maintain the data. It means maintain the data itself. We can develop the application. That is which application? That is a DBMS application, SQL applications. Develop the application. Maintain the data. Analyzing the data. Reporting the data. So here maintain the data means what? Here maintain the data. Here with the help of ETL tool. With the help of ETL tool, we can maintain the data. ETL tool. ETL means extraction, transformation, and loading. With the help of ETL tool, stands for extraction, transformation, and load. So using this ETL concept, we can extracting the data, transform the data, and loading the data. Three concepts we had. So here, with the help of this ETL concept, can maintain the data. How we can maintain the data in meaningful and understandable format? Meaning and understandable format. So how we can read the data in meaningful, understandable format means. So with the help of again, come to different types of data sets or data. So if we want to maintain the data, so data is different formats. So with the help of ETL, we can maintain the data. What again? Data is different types. Data is different. What are the data here? Like standard data. Standard data. Okay. Second one is non-standard data. Non-standard data. So this kind of data we can maintain using ETL process. Okay, this ETL process is one of the tool ETL process done by the one of the tools, that is data warehouse tool. What is the meaning of ETL? Extraction, transformation, and a loading. So sometimes the data is in the form of different ways. Maybe those are in the form of PDF files, in the form of text files, or in the form of different types of RTF files, Excel files. We are getting the data different ways. We can get it. But how we can extract the data into the SAS environment? That is nothing but, for example, data in the form of Excel, PDF, RTF, text files, so many formats. Those formats we can import into the SAS environment. That is nothing but transformation, importing. Here we can go with the transformation. Transformation according to the our client, according to the client requirements. We can transforming modification requirement. We can transform the data or editing the data. That is nothing but transformation. So here in this transformation, we are edit the data. Here in the transformation, we are import the data into where? SAS environment. Import the data into SAS environment. Okay, with the help of SAS tool, we can transform the data and load into different types of formats, like in the form of like data sets, in the form of data sets, and in the form of views, or in the form of catalogs. These are different types of format to store the data. So what is data set? Data set and view, catalogs. These are the one kind of files. So just like what are the files? Excel files. These are normal standard data. So this data converts into client requirement, editing the data and load into these formats: datasets, views, and catalogs. Dataset is nothing but here is one of the files. So dataset or files are different. Loading the data, loading the data, loading the data in different files. What are those files? Three types of files. What is the dataset files? Dataset files. Second one is view files. Next, catalog file, catalog file. These are three types of files are available in the SAS. We can transform the data and load into different types of files, format files. So this is called nothing but extraction. Extract means importing from the various data files in the form of Excel, PDF, RTF text files, and transform the data using SAS tool and load into different form, dataset, views, and catalog. This is nothing but ETL tool. You can maintain the data using one of the product that is data warehouse called product. That is maintaining data. Next concept is product is analyzing the data, analysis product, analysis product. So analysis product, okay, because this is a very important product. Without this product, we cannot analyzing the any data. So whatever the data is available, see here, the data is available in dataset views and catalog. So this data we can analyzing the data with the help of this datasets. What purpose we are creating these datasets for analysis purpose? Analysis purpose we are doing this analysis purpose. Okay, so this is for analysis purpose. We convert the data into datasets. That's it. Now, why you are doing the analysis? What is the purpose of analysis? So what is the meaning by analysis? Simplifying the data. Analysis. Analysis purpose we are doing. Okay. And this analysis product with the help of SAS tool, we can analyze the data. What is the purpose of analysis? What is mean by analysis? What is meaning? Meaning of analysis. Analysis. What is the meaning of analysis? Any idea? To simplifying the data, right? So the main objective of the analysis to simplifying the data, and with the help of this product to reduce the time, and take a quick decisions, and leads to analysis leads to profits. It leads to profits. With the help of this analysis process, we can take the better decisions for the prediction. Why are we are consider analysis? Okay, to get profits. So to get profit purpose, we are doing the analysis, and in the certain time, profits and reduce profits to get the profits and reduce losses. Can reduce the losses purpose. We are doing the analysis, and it is two types of analysis. Two types we are doing in organizations also. We are doing two types of analysis. We are doing two types of analysis. Analysis. So what are two types of analysis? The first one is analysis without statistics, without stats. Second one is analysis with the stats, So here generally analysis means generally we are, for example, simple way, day to day life, we can use this kind of scenario. Like if you want, for example, buy a mobile, what we will do? So get the information through colleagues or Google or somewhere for like get the information through different types of shops, like mobile stores. We should call mobile stores to get the information, and finally go to the mobile store and go see all the specification, which mobile is good, well, in the different ways, appearance wise, and features wise, and their software wise, and different types of technique wise we are doing, we can consider the gadget. So this gadget finally, if gadget is looking very good with technically advanced, with advanced technique, and appearance, good appearance, and latest technology, if you anyhow the gadget is good for taking, finally we are see that this gadget comes under like in our budget or not. Finally there is budget are very very important. So more generally human being thinking like less price we get more price, more techniques like advanced features. With the less price we go with advanced techniques or advanced features, we can go with go the all the gadgets, for example. So here also coming to our budget also very very important. In our budget this gadget or this mobile is coming or not, finally. So we have simplifying, we are going with different types of the analysis we are doing. Okay, we are doing different types of analysis. So without without statistics and with statistics, here generally a human being doesn't go with statistics. So where man this is called manual calculation. This is called manual calculation. In the manual calculation, that we don't use any statistics. Like simply we can use some additions, we can use subtractions, we can use small like statistics we are used here. Small statistics we are used. That is manual calculations. That is nothing but analysis with the without statistics here. Without statistics, we should call here. We are we are thinking, we are ways are our ways are different ways. So different steps, different ways we have to thinking for the analysis. Finally finally take a decision whether the mobile, okay, comes in our budget or not. We can go with all the scenarios and take a decisions. Yes, this is good. Future mobile, like advanced technique mobile or advanced features mobile. So in my budget, is it coming? Okay, I'm going to take this mobile. You can take a final decision depending upon our back end ways. Like we are doing so many uh, thinking, like so many, like we are doing go with so many obstacles, like for taking the mobile. So we are suffering a lot to take a one good decision, because we are go with the different types of ways to take a decisions. So that's why without analysis, there is one kind of analysis without statistics we are used. Next, analysis with stats. So this scenario followed by the organizations. So so both are important. Manual, like manual thoughts important, manual interaction important, and manual with statistical and prediction, uh, and with data science means ample of data. So number of thoughts that is we are collecting from the previous analysis, current and previous analysis. We are consider current and previous analysis. So depending upon the current and previous analysis and predictions, it is helps to leads to the good decisions, current, previous, and future. So analyzing the data with three ways: current, depending on the current situation, and previous situation, and future situation. We are thinking. After thinking, it leads to better solution, better like quick decisions. So that is like analysis with the stats. So in the organizations also follows. Organization follows. So three types of it follows. Organizations, it follows three types of scenarios or steps, depending upon the previous analysis, previous, comma, present, and future, future, analysis. Future analysis. It follows. Organization takes three types of analysis. Okay. For example, take one any organization like any Microsoft, okay, or any simple Microsoft. So in the Microsoft, what happened? So for example, they want to uh, sales computers, for example. So in the Microsoft systems, okay, earlier they go with like a new technology, and previous they go with the old technology. In prediction, they want to update with the new technologies. You cannot see that future, but depending upon the present and previous technologies, they take a better decisions. Okay, in the okay old version, this kind of like overcomes this kind of obstacles, struggles, we face that using maybe in the previous software it is not updated to the present software, and maybe a fan issue, and system in the system maybe like a fan issue, like a screen is not reducing and software is not updating, that issues are arising. We are go with the different types of issues in the previous version. Now current version we can overcome that issues. Okay, that is fine. In the prediction, so in the next upcoming generation, maybe I want to like install like my Unix software or like Linux software, Macintosh software. I want to install that software, but it's not supported. But present version. But I want to implement. I want to update to the those kind of like future analysis uh, parts. Future analysis softwares also. We're updating with. They go with the previous, present, and future. Future upgrading softwares also they can consider. That is nothing but data science. Data science includes previous, present, and prediction. We get all the information and compatible with the prediction purpose, for analysis purpose. So they follow the different types of techniques. So so in this organization they go with different types of standards and statistics. Mean, okay, mean, like standard deviation, correlation, ANOVA, correlation, ANOVA, t-test, different types, ANOVA, t-test. These are different types of statistic keywords. With the help of these statistic keywords, we can get the exact result. So even though, so exact means, so decimal value is also very very important here. So sometimes in clinical trials, what happened, a small dose is also very very important. For example, receive receive how much dose, for example, 0.0.555 mg dose, for example, out of like 10 mg. Out of 10 mg they took he taken like 0.005 mg, like decimal values, for example. So this is also very very important. These values also very very important, how much the drug is efficiently work on the subject. A deep analysis, this is called deep analysis. So decimal values, floating values also very very important here, that is analyzing data. But in our like general day-to-day life, we don't consider decimal values. For example, shopkeeper, they're asking like 999 rupees, 99 rupees for a particular gadget or any cloth. Okay, they're taken like 1,000 rupees. So we don't bother about that 1 rupee, right? Even though only 1 rupee, like chordo, like, so we can take him, no worries, 1 rupee didn't matter. We can assume like that. But in analysis, we can consider a single point, single decimal also very very important. That is nothing but, even the decimal points also give the exact results, accurate results. Why you are doing analysis? For accurate results purpose, we are doing the analysis. That is nothing but that's why we are using a analysis, a simple points also. So in, for example, subject is a patient. Subject receive 10 mg dose, 10 mg dose. But in 10 mg dose, okay, well, enter into the body, enter into the body, the total mg is not enter into the like distributed equally into the organs. So in the body, if you we take a 10 mg dose, the 10 mg not distribute equally into the different types of organs. Not even though there is a it is only like we should call 8.5 or 8.9 or 9 accurately. It is dissolved in the body 9%, 9 mg only. It is distributed in the body. Remaining 1% wastage, that is it is not equally distributed. So here distribution also very there is a distribution analysis, how much the drug is distributing to the all the organs. That is one kind of analysis. So depending on distribution of analysis, with the help of like means procedure, like average distribution, standard deviation distribution, okay, variance distribution. Depending upon these keywords, we can use in the use under the organizations with the help of statistics. So two types of analysis, without stats and with stats. That's it. So for why you are doing, for accurate exact result purpose and quick results, exact and quick results purpose, we are doing the analysis. That's why you're doing the analysis. And here in our analysis, coming to our analysis, we don't like bother about feedbacks. We don't bother about the feedbacks, but organization follow the feedbacks, then maintain the data for for prediction purpose, for other analysis purpose. They maintain, we should call backups. Here organization follows the backups. We can, they store the data in the form of, again, in the form of using in the form of data, in the form of Excel form, text formats, all those things, with the help of product, a data warehouse product. So ample of records. Okay, human only deals with a limited data, but softwares deals with ample of data, like unlimited data. So that data stored by the Oracle database. So the data stored by the Oracle database. Oracle database, DBMS, database management system. With the help of DBMS, we can store the data. This is the way, with the help of database management system and analysis purpose. Why you are doing analysis? Oh, okay, we get the accurate results. Theoretical we can get it, but for visualization, after that we are visualizing. After completion of what we will do, visualizing. So visualization purpose, we are doing the analysis, visualization. So visualization means reporting. Visualization are called reporting purpose, we are doing the analysis. Okay, again, these are different types of reports. These are different types of reports. What are those reports here? Those called detailed report, classified in different types of reports. One is detailed report. Second one is a summary report, should call summary report. And third one is customized report, customized report. Different types of reports. The main important reports are three types: detailed report, summary report, and customized report. Detailed report means whatever the data is available from the source or Excel sheets and text files, no need to go under analysis. Directly you can report to the client. Okay, like this is without like no need to under analysis. 0% analysis here. 0% analysis here. And summary report, it 50% analysis. It underwent with 50% analysis. And third one is 100% analysis with statistics, with efficient statistic, with footnotes and titles. We have assigned with the full-fledged total 100% analysis we can generate in the form of a customized report. Okay, these are different types of reports. So up to now we discussed just like three steps, only three steps. What are those? First is data, maintaining the data, and second one analyzing the data, and third one is reporting the data. Three. Only we are now we are discussed up to only three steps: maintain the data, analyzing data, and reporting data. Here, analyze, maintain data using with the help of DBMS, one of the tool. So, what are the data files here? Text files, Excel files, Excel files, and like RTF files. We can maintain the data using DBMS. This data when extracted into SAS file with analysis purpose we are using here, analyzing data, analyzing. Okay, analyzing the data. Next, after analyzing, we're reporting the data here. Reporting. So reporting, what is the reporting? Different types of reports. Detailed report, reporting. Detailed report, summary report, and customized report. Different types of report. These report we have to submit to our client. What is the purpose of these reports to submit? To easily understand. Why are reporting purpose? Visualization is more efficient than the theory. That's why we are generate the reports in the form of these reports again in the form of tables, listings, figures. Again, this again these reports convert into like in the form of tables, listings, and figures, graphs. Visualization, different types of visualization. Using these visualizations, you can easily understand. You need to submit this FDA through the our client. So this is approved by the FDA submissions, like organization. That is like so through the like client or your TL or management submissions. Okay, or CDISC guidelines. CDISC guidelines. Now here this is FDA approval. So this is for submit to the FDA people. The tables and listing graphs submit to FDA. Here they are approved, and after approving, they launch into the market. They launch into the market. For example, you know that clinical trends, different types of clinical trends. Just we are suffering with the pandemic situation, that is COVID-19, suffering with COVID-19. Behind of that, so many trials are doing. Like there's so many experiments are doing on the COVID, novel COVID virus. Okay, now here marketing. How that the drug is launched in the marketing. So we have different types of trials. What are the trials here? Trials are like preclinical trials. Preclinical trials. Preclinical trials means preclinical clinical trials. Next, phase one trials. We should call phase one trials. Phase one trials. These are called phase one trials. Different types of trials. You see that trials. Trials are preclinical trials. That is coming in clinical. Preclinical, clinical trials. Next, phase one trials. Phase two trials, phase three trials, and phase 4 and 5 trials launched in the market. Here, preclinical trials, it means zero trials, phase zero trial. Preclinical means phase zero trials. So first their trials on they do the trials on the animals. If the trial is successfully like done on the animals, they move on to phase one. Here in the phase one, they are taking healthy volunteer people. Healthy volunteer, maybe 0 to 100 people they are taking, subjects taking, patients are taking, and they develop they inject the drug into the subjects, and how much the drug is efficiently work on their bodies. Okay, if even though the drug is efficiently work 19 accuracy 99% they're like working, they're move on to disease people. They consider healthy voluntary people and diseased people. The combination of they're categorized different types of groups. Categorized different types of groups. That is called arm one, arm two. This arm they're split into arms. There is nothing but and after that grouping, they follow the one method that is called randomization. Randomization means like picking alternately. So without avoid bias, potential bias. Without potential bias means without partiality. Without partiality, each subject receive the equal chance to take a dose or treatment. We follow different types of methods. So different types of studies like randomization, parallel study, crossover study. That is further we'll see that. So randomization process like parallel study, crossover study. They follow different studies and give the assign that treatment to the number of subjects. After, if the, for example, in the phase 3 study, that is they consider thousands of people, like 40,000, 30,000 people. They take and inject the drug to the 40%, 40,000 people. How much the drug is efficiently working? Okay, they're taking healthy violent people like hypertension subjects and like diabetic people. So many different types of people they consider and inject the drug their bodies, and how much that is the efficiency of the drug. Efficiency plus safety. The trails are going with mainly safety. Efficient plus safety. How much the drug is efficiently work, and after completion of efficient, how safety he has he has, maybe without any side effects. Without any side effects, nothing but safety. After that, if the 99% the drug is working like all over 30,000, next they are launched into the market. Okay, with the FDA approval. Here, this data, whatever this data, this clinical data comes in the form of like Excel format, in the form of Excel RTF format. This is data, we're analyzing the data here, analysis with the help of with the help of SAS tool. So we can, with the help of data management tool, using a SAS tool, analyzing data with the help of SAS tool, and reporting the data using SAS tool, and in the form of generate the tables in the form of SAS tool, and submit to the FDA with the various different types of rules. Those rules are CDISC rules. We should call CDISC rules. CDISC rules are SDTM rules. We should call SDTM, Standard Data Tabulation Model Implementation Guide. Rules are available. So with the help of those rules, we can submit to the FDA. Then the FDA approved. After that, we can launch into the market. This is the way we can clinical test, that is especially in the clinical test. So same like coming to like banking, retail. So data is different, the process is same. So wherever check any organization, analysis is same. Data is different data, analyzing the data, reporting it. These three steps is common, and generate the tables, listings, figures, same is up to here. So here that is there in the like finance data, FDA is not approved. That is like their authorities. Okay, their authorities approved and launched into the whole world financial data like retail. So here, this is all the concepts comes under big data analysis too. Why means we are deals with lakhs of records. Okay, with the help of Oracle database, with the support of DBMS product, we can maintain the data and store in Oracle database servers. So SAS only stores limited storage, but with the help of Oracle database servers, we can store the ample of records, unlimited storage we can store, and import the data for analysis purpose and reporting different various formats like tables, listing, figures like this. And this is total comes under big data analysis, BI tool. So one of the here SAS SAS consists of different types of mode, two types of mode, SAS. SAS consists of two types of mode. One is a graphical mode and a non-graphical mode, or batch mode. We should call SAS consists of. SAS technical tool consists of different types of modes. What are those modes here? One is SAS like batch mode and a BI mode. business intelligence mode. That is deals with the business intelligence mode. Okay. Now here SAS BI is one of the advanced tool for visualization purpose. The tool is used in most in the finance background and retail people. Finance, banking people are used to that BI tool. So in that BI tool, we don't use any code. We follow only syntaxes. That's it. Here, here one is a graphical mode. Graphical mode means like drag and drop menu options. Here menu option only, we don't write any code, we only follow the syntax. With the help of syntaxes we can develop the job nothing but like develop in the code for creating a output, develop the output. So menu options. Here what is BI? With the business intelligence tool, it is one of the tool in the SAS advanced tool here. And here, and one more here is non, it is called graphical mode. Graphical mode. So graphical mode. And second one is here menu drag and drop. Only menus are available, drag and drop process is available in this. But here only coding. Only coding where go this coding clinical people are using. Clinical banking also using. Additionally, BI tool is used in banking people like banking, retail. So common thing is coding is a basic process. So with help of this coding, we can go with advanced. First, we have to learn all those coding part, clinical like coding part. What is different types of in the coding? We can aware of advanced base. We can cover advanced base and SQL, cover in the SQL and macros. Okay. So these topics were covered. Advanced base means total procedure, the combination of functions and procedure. So here SQL also it is advanced programming language. Macro also advanced programming language. With help of these concepts, we can develop the application SAS tool. With the help of SAS tool, we can develop the application. Okay, this all total as a SAS software concept. Okay, next coming to history of SAS. History of SAS. History of SAS means so history. So it is invented in 1960 by founder. What is invented in 1960? Author by Anthony James Barr. Barr. So at the time, it is not a SaaS tool. It is not a software tool. It's a package. At the time, it is a package. Package nothing but set of rules. Package nothing but a set of rules. So these rules implemented in where in agriculture department, agriculture department and weather reporting purpose they are used. Weather reporting purpose they used this set of rules. After 90, like after 10 years, like 1970, so they added with the statistics. So added with ANOVA, correlation, statistics, t-test regression method, different test of keywords are used. After 1983, okay, 83, they added with the ETL tools like application servers, OLAPs, online uh, application the servers are added here. Like after that, in 2007 onwards, this is called as, from 2007, it is called as a big data analysis tool. Big data analysis is called as a big data analysis tool. Okay, this is officially launched in the market in 1983 as a SaaS tool. At the 1983 onwards, called as a SAS tool. In the SAS tool, from there onwards, different types of versions. like V4, V5, V6, different types of versions are there. Now current version is V 9.4 version. We are using 9.4 version, current version. So here from this big data analysis, it supports to SAS supports to different types of technologies. So data science, it supports to data science for analysis, analytics, data science for two. It is one of the data science too. Okay. Now this is total comes under the history of the SAS. Okay. Next, coming to SAS role in different types of domains. SAS role, SAS role in the different types of domains. Domains. Domains means areas. Like here, SAS not only deals with the clinical, retail, like different. Supports. It supports 64 domains. Not only a single domain or a multiple domains. 64 domains. What are those domains like clinical, banking, retail, different types of. So it is it supports different types of domains like so clinical, clinical, banking, retail, sales, marketing, like healthcare, so many marketing, health, healthcare, like help desk, like shopping malls. They are using their own. Okay, different types of domains it supports. Okay, the main leading domains are the market, clinical domain, next banking, retail, insurance, healthcare, insurance, healthcare. These departments, these areas mainly we are used to SAS to. Okay, and it supports like so many jobs are coming to project deals with one clinical project and one banking project. Okay, and jobs are coming to jobs. So we are getting the jobs in two sectors. Two sectors. One is IT sector and pharma sector. IT sector and the pharma sector. In the IT sector, that is third party companies. The data is like the work is shared by the main companies, the client companies. For example, how the job is getting in the MNC companies and pharma industries. Like pharma industry, in the pharma industries, we are getting jobs in two sectors. One is pharma sector and IT sector. Okay, IT sector. So here IT sector and pharma sector. The pharma sector, okay, it is doing like a, so in a pharma sector they doing trials. So they doing trials in different sites, in different sites. Site means like in all over India. All over India they doing the trials. So maybe one of the leading companies in the India, like Novartis pharma companies. Novartis like next Paraxial, Paraxial. So many companies of Paraxial. Next Covance, like Quintiles. So many companies are there. IQ and the so many Quintile companies, so many subsidiaries are there. Okay, IQ, so many are there. And next IT companies, ICICI Bank. Okay, any all like ICICI, Wipro, Cognizant, all industries. Okay, like Icon company. So these are all pharma and the IT companies. So here third party means so here the work is shared by the pharma to the IT companies. Sometimes we are doing the job under the another client, but we are doing in IT. Like for example, I am doing in Infosys. Infosys. My job workstation is in Infosys. Okay. Then my client is Here Novartis. This is a pharma company. This third party. So Infosys is a third party company. Here in IT sector provides two types of domains. One is a clinical domain as well as in banking finance domains. Okay. Sometimes they are doing direct trials of GVK, okay, GSK, GSK companies. So many are there. Okay. This is the way you can get the jobs. So, so this is all the topic comes under basic concepts. We give a basic idea about the SAS. Okay. Any doubts as of now? Here, what is the what is the SAS? Big data analysis, history of SAS. SAS will different as jobs on their projects. Any doubts as of now?
Yes, Satish. SAS and SAS BI is different.
No, no, no. This is one of the internal tool. SAS is not a different tool. So SAS is a tool in that it is a drag and drop option. Okay. Here, first we have to here SAS. We are follow the coding here. Coding. You have to compulsory learn coding. So here, no need to use the coding. Only we follow the syntax. So menu options. Menu drag and drop option. Menu drag and drop option.
Okay, for both only one software.
Yes,
SAS.
one platform. Yes, yes. Both are one. There is internal one of the two. That's it.
Okay, in that SAS software, you can do clinical trials. You can do, I mean, banking domain related.
Yeah, yes. Using SAS tool, clinical, banking, retail, insurance, sales, marketing, everything. It's supposed to 64. So because why? So it is a licensed tool and updated by the FDA. It is the total responsible is FDA. Every upgradations done by FDA year by year. But other tools are Python. These are updated version, but not licensed. It's not secure compared to the SAS.
It is licensed. Okay.
Yes.
May I know the cost regarding license?
License we can't. That is it is one type of agreement like pros that is deals with the organizations. You cannot purchase that.
Okay, practice purpose, it is not
Yes,
possible.
yes, it's possible. That is education software is available. You can provide no problem. Okay, but for example, without taking license by the FDA, so maybe the organization that may be closed. So we need to take the permission by the FDA people, organization, compulsory. Without no need to follow the rules. If you suddenly they check that for audition purpose, which tail you are using, so you are taking license or from the a particular authority or not. If you taking, they can approve it. Otherwise, your license will be closed. You have to take the permission license agreement, a particular organization with the FDA tie-ups. So, but or Python, no need to take the any permissions agreement. Not no need to follow the any agreements. Not required. So, organization installed R Python without taking any permission. No need to take any permission from any authorities. But FDA need to take the government permission. Government permission and FDA submission organization people need to take. It totally deals with government.
Okay, are you providing software, sir?
Yes, yes, yeah, we can provide. The practices we can provide, don't worry.
Okay, you are working in Infosys.
No, no, no. Bioclinica.
Bioclinica.
Yes.
Okay, tell me about yourself.
Yeah, my name is P. Satish. Konugpati Satish. I completed held with MCA. Okay. In Nashopet, EVM College. Okay, I have 7 years experience as a SAS programmer and faculty as a faculty. I support to various organizations. I'm working in a client different types of under I am support different types of clients. Icon is one of the client. Bioclinica is one of the client. and Covance is one of the clients. I'm supported those kind of clients, supporting, as well as I'm teaching in under like dimensional, the faculty, SAS programmer and SAS faculty. I am teaching R, Python, VA, SAS, and Tableau. These are all our analytics tools. But R, Python, Tableau, okay, Unix. I'm teaching Unix also. But these are not secure and not licensed tool. Only SAS. This is an analytic tool. It is a licensed tool. I'm dealing with the total SAS with other softwares, R, Python. If you want that, R, Python, Tableau, also I'm teaching that. Most focus on SAS. Yes, tell me.
Yeah, some reporting tools available from Google, na?
Yeah.
That's why.
Yes,
What about
reporting.
the SAS?
Yes, I'm doing.
SAS is not available out.
SAS is not available out. We cannot download in Google. Just take it. But we can get different types of procedures, functions. We can the theoretical part we can available, but software is not available.
Education purpose also only 1 year or?
That is limited. So education software. So here organizations like the institutions type with main like Covance company or Icon company. They type with them, and that they take a license. They give the small amount to them, and they give the 9.4 version. Whatever the real time use the software, they can share here. Institutions, the education software, and one more software is there. We can download it, but all the features is not available in that. Okay. That is a SAS like site. We can download through the SAS community. You can download it.
SAS?
Community, SAS community.
Oh.
So all the features are not available in that. Okay. But we provide the full featured software, that is updated software 9.4 version. So admin in the admin provide that installed in your laptop. Don't worry about that. Institution admin is one of the guys there. They installed it.
Okay, you have the course topic also. Course content. Course content.
You want content, SAS content.
Yes. Yes.
They can provide it. I'll show you now. See SAS syllabus. Okay. So see here, bases getting started with the SAS systems, base operating system commands. Okay, all the file structure. So they're maintained. This all the content. If you ask the Gayatri man, they can provide. She provided. Yes, Gayatri man. So this is the content. Course content. How to the data steps, read the multiple complex forms data set, write the data from 3 steps, data compile, different, all the steps, concepts. Working with SAS libraries, okay, perform interview processing, interactive process all the data, utilities to manage and work with the data sets. Relevant DM procedures, how to use SQL, retrieve the information, simple queries, joins data using SQL, advanced SQL topics, pass-through facility using SQL. Okay, like a base SAS statistical procedures, how to work SAS access and SAS connect, how to work with the macro language, this is advanced language, SAS language, and their formats. That's it.
Here you will cover base, advanced, and SDTM.
Yeah, I'm give in the SDTM I cover in the project. I go with the project. In the project, SDTM cover.
Total duration?
So total duration is we go mostly it is 2.5 months.
2.5 months.
Yeah, 2.5.
Daily 1 hour session.
Yeah, 1.5 hour max. 1 hour to 1.5 hour. You want to spend more time, I'm take according to your timing. So I take more sessions also, more time, like 2 hours, 3 hours, depending upon your requirement.
Thanks for your attention. Bye.